Tell me, what do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? What do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? Cause X sounds wrong, even though you're gone, it burns my tongue, yeah. What do I call you? What do I call you now? Cause X sounds, know it's what you are, but I hate that word. Like it crosses out how important you were. I miss the freckle that sits on your lips, but it kills me to think that it's not mine to kiss. What do you call it when you're past tense but still friends? But more than that, when you're not mine, but sometimes can we try again? Tell me, what do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? What do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? Cause X sounds wrong, even though you're gone, it burns my tongue, yeah. What do I call you? What do I call you now? Cause X sounds wrong. How could you go from baby to this? Like you and my sweatshirt at midnight didn't even exist. I know everyone always breaks up. Guess I thought the exception was us. Tell me, what do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? What do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? Cause X sounds wrong, even though you're gone, it burns my tongue, yeah. What do I call you? What do I call you now? Cause X sounds wrong. Now it's what you are, but I hate that word. Like it crosses out how important you were. Tell me, what do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? What do I call you? What do I call you? What do I call you, babe? Cause X sounds wrong, even though you're gone, it burns my tongue, yeah. What do I call you? What do I call you now? Cause X sounds wrong, past tense, but still friends, but more than that. You're not mine, but sometimes can we try again? Past tense, but still friends, but more than that. When you're not mine, but sometimes can we try again?